the USPs for UC EXPO is really around having all the right contacts in one place. So having IT decision makers, good customers from all different sizes of businesses. Actually, they come in here to hopefully purchase. They're in different phases of their purchasing cycle, but they're here to gauge interest and see what's available. So it's actually great to have them all in one space. Mitel are number one in terms of voice communications and cloud, but I think it's really important to make sure that Mitel has its brand presence. So for us, that's really key to being here to show that we are market leading in terms of what we do. Ultimately, the decision to return is based on the success and ROI of business that we get out of the show. So actually we have had a number of successes from last year certainly, and actually it's been some quite significant amount of business that we have done, and all it takes is one or two customers, but actually we do get a lot of leads out of UC EXPO. Obviously they all vary in terms of their timescale of purchase. In fact, we had one only a few days ago that resulted from last year's show, so it was a big value opportunity that did drop. So it was great to hear that as a result of last year's show we actually did do a great deal. So, but of course that we have a number of other opportunities that are still ongoing from last year, and that will continue throughout the show. The type of contacts that come to UC EXPO are absolutely, the IT managers, even customer service managers, so the people who actually will use the technology. We have engineers who actually already are Mitel customers and actually want to learn a bit more about what we're doing, what's in the roadmap. So really quite a variety, but it's really important to still meet the day-to-day users of Mitel. Look at obviously new businesses who are looking for decision-making capability, so the IT senior business decision makers. That's really important to us to have a broad mix of people. In terms of preparation for UC EXPO, we do a lot of social media. I think that's become really important over the last few years. So we do email our existing base of customers to make them aware that we are, of course, coming to UC EXPO. We also email, of course, prospect databases. I think the main successful criteria is really social media, just kind of creating a buzz about what we're showing, what's going to be here, come and join us, come and hear about the new products that we're launching. So that's, I think, the most successful in terms of creating buzz around social media. I think the type of vendors that are at UC EXPO over the years has changed, so it's become more cloud orientated, become more UCaaS orientated in terms of cost per user per month. So really that's determined by the customers themselves and the people who are buying on who actually they want to see at the show. So there's quite a diverse type of organisation who are present at UC EXPO. So that's certainly changed. Obviously this year UC EXPO decided to introduce contact centre element to it, which is actually really crucial to us as Mitel as a business, because contact centre can be something that actually leads a customer decision making. So for us, contact centre can be very important. We took part in a number of speaking slots and also a panel debate. So the first one was a cloud session led by Rami Hubi from the UCaaS part of our business. And that's of real value because it's something that we've been doing more recently, emerging into UCaaS space and what we're doing, and people perhaps aren't as aware of that. So it's really important to get the message out to our customers and prospects, of course. And we also took part in a panel debate today as well, so around omni-channel contact centre. And I think that certainly did create a lot of debates, and we were a good part of that. From a new exhibitor point of view, I think it is about that preparation. So it's about making sure you're clear on what your message is, what your branding message is. If people aren't familiar with you, then make sure your message is clear on the stand, what you're all about, because you only get a few seconds to make that impact of your customer walking past. Make sure you have something as a call to action to follow it up, and obviously that pre-event preparation in terms of marketing, whether it's social media, email marketing, telemarketing, to get people to your stand. Hopefully it will continue to be successful for us. Obviously only time will tell in terms of the ROI, but yeah, we hope to come back next year.